Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing some fried bammies. Here is my bammies all soaking in milk. I've been soaking them for the past hour because I weren't ready to fry them as yet. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how it's done. Yes guys, we Jamaicans soak our bammies in milk. So mine is soaking, as I said, for 1 hour. You can soak it in water, you can soak it in coconut milk, whatever milk you like, but I choose to soak it in whole milk. I'm just going to show you how I cut it up. This is how I cut up my bammy, guys. I put it in half, then I go like this, and then I go like this. It all depends on how big you want it anyway, but this is the size I want. Now I'm gonna put my oil in my pot and put it on medium heat, and then I'll start frying. So I've just added my cooking oil. I'm just gonna leave it now to hot. The fire is on medium heat, and then I'll come back and I'll start frying. So now the pot is hot, so I'm just gonna add my bammies in. You don't want the fire too high, guys, as well, because you don't want it to burn. So I think I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Don't try this at home. Make sure you use something to put it inside. And guys, if you haven't liked, subscribe and share as yet, please do. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them now to fry. When I'm gonna turn them over, I'll show you. So I'm just turning them now, guys. Here I am turning them over. So they're all golden brown. So I say most of them because I'm gonna put that back on over. Here they are. This is the color you need. There they are. I don't think this set is ready as yet, so I'll leave this side, but this side is ready to be turned. So there it is. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, some of them are all ready, so I'm just going to take them out. This is how it's supposed to look. So I'm just leaving these to fry some more because I need it golden brown. I don't like it this color, so I'm just gonna leave these set to fry some more.